Come closer, we're nearly there. In just a short time, you'll be creating this kind of content without ever needing to appear on camera. We've officially entered a new era in AI video creation, and the results are absolutely astonishing. With just one prompt, you can now generate a clip like this.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
Everything you just saw, the voice, sound effects, background music, and even the simulated camera work, was generated by Google's revolutionary tool, Veo 3. You may have already heard about it, and I'm here to tell you, the hype is completely justified. Veo 3 has raised the bar so high that competitors like Kling AI, Minimax, Luma Dream Machine, and even OpenAI's Sora will now need to catch up. Now, while it's not flawless, Veo 3 handles complex physics and movement far better than its predecessors. That awkward character morphing you'd normally see, almost entirely gone, especially in scenes where the characters aren't doing excessive movements. Just look at these sample clips. The level of detail is unmatched. At the moment, there's no other video generator that even comes close. Even more exciting, you can now design your own characters and seamlessly place them into any environment you choose. And it's not limited to realistic footage either. 3D animated videos have also reached a whole new level. Instead of the robotic motion we're used to, you can now generate scenes that look like they came straight out of a professional animation studio. But here's the thing, just having an idea isn't enough. You still need to give the AI the right kind of input to get the best results. And don't worry, I've created a prompt that simplifies this entire process for you. Let me walk you through it. First, head to the website, sign in using your Google account. If a pop-up appears, just click Next and scroll down to accept the policy agreement. Once you've done that, you'll land on the main page. Click Subscribe and choose your plan. They offer both Pro and Ultra tiers, but if you're just experimenting, no need to stress. They give you a 1-month free trial on the Pro plan. Just remember to cancel before the trial ends to avoid being charged. They'll even send you a reminder, so you won't forget. After subscribing, click Go to Flow to start your first project. The interface will look familiar if you've used other AI video tools. You'll see 3 options: text to video, frame to video, and ingredients to video. The last one is only available to Ultra users, so we'll stick with the first 2 for now. Let's start with the text to video option. Click the icon and choose how many outputs you want to generate. If you're short on credits, selecting just one is fine. There are 3 models to choose from. The first 2 use Veo V2, and the last one uses their latest V3. The fast V2 model is light on credits, just 10 per generation, while the V2 quality and V3 models cost 100 credits each. That's important because the Pro plan only gives you 1,000 credits, which means you can only make 10 V3 videos unless you upgrade. Now let's look at the result. Not bad. It's surprisingly realistic, especially if you're not looking too closely. The only flaw, the character didn't finish her sentence. I could shorten the dialogue, but I really wanted the full line spoken, so I tried again. This time, the model got it right. The phrase was completed perfectly. That's when I decided to build something more complex. Instead of coming up with everything myself, I used a detailed prompt I've already prepared for you. Just copy the prompt from a Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT. No edits needed, just hit enter. ChatGPT will ask for more details, like the character's name, appearance, mood, what they're wearing, what they're holding, and so on. If you want multiple characters in your scene, now's the time to specify them, be it humans, animals, or fictional icons. For example, I want to see if the system could handle a copyrighted character, like Thanos from Avengers. I added his emotional state, armor, the Infinity Gauntlet, a battlefield setting during the day, and a close-up camera angle. I skipped adding music, since Veo V3 usually does a good job even without it. But you can always ask ChatGPT to recommend background sound if needed. For dialogue, I told ChatGPT that I wanted Thanos to say his iconic line, "I am inevitable," followed by a finger snap. ChatGPT returned a fully structured prompt based on my input. I pasted that into the generator using V2 first, And surprisingly, it worked. Most tools reject copyrighted names, but this one didn't. The scene looked pretty decent, so I moved on to Veo 3. This time, the visuals were different. The character wasn't exactly Thanos, but the environment and the voiceover worked well.
A wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every...
There's also a super helpful feature called Scene Builder. You can take an image from your video, click Save Frame as Asset, and use it to extend your scene. Add it back into your project, and prompt the AI to continue the action. You can rearrange, replace, or remove scenes as needed. I did notice one limitation. Audio doesn't currently play inside Scene Builder, not even on regenerated clips. Hopefully, that's a bug they'll fix soon. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI video tools and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.